Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Erica. Today we are going to be unboxing the April 2024 Sew Sampler Box. And make sure you keep this insert because on the back you've got a $10 off $50 purchase, and there's a 25% off all my Sew Quilty Life patterns, and there's also a free pattern download in there as well. So make sure you check the backs of these inserts when you get your box. So as always, I've got my little insert here. It tells me all of my products and the retail value. I'll give you a total sum when we get done. The current box price is $29.95 a box plus shipping. So let's take a look and see what's inside. This is box number 1 of our new series. So every 12 months, they put out a block of the month series. You get one pattern, and at the end of the 12 months, you get your last block plus finishing instructions. So this is box number 1 for the new season. I show the pattern because it has the instructions right on the front page, but it is like a cardstocky type of thing. Here is what this year's patterns are going to look like. This is called the Peaceful Baskets Quilt Along. It says, feel at peace in your sewing room as you work on the Peaceful Baskets quilt. The sampler quilt draws on traditional sewing baskets for inspiration while becoming an artfully unique quilt. Get your Peaceful Baskets quilt kit, an unforgettable keepsake while supplies last. The value for this little pattern is $4.98, and it doesn't list it on the insert, but it is featuring the Shoreline fabric by Camille Ross Kelly. So here is block number 1. And then a little bonus item in our box. This retails for $2.98, which in my opinion seems a little bit pricey for a sticker, but this sticker I think is just to kick off their block of the month program. So it is cute, and who knows, maybe you'll be getting stickers in each month's box. I do monthly stickers and they're definitely not $3 a piece, so I feel like this is a little bit of overkill, but we'll see what the box is worth, and then we'll take away the $3 for the sticker and see if it's still a good value. All right, our next thing is this Quilt As You Go kit. This is called the Crafty Clutch. This retails for $8.98, and it is by June Taylor, and this is a Sew Sampler got it first. It says, create your own beautiful notion keeper with the Crafty Clutch Quilt As You Go kit by June Taylor. This kit includes sew on the line, printed stabilizer, and one white zippity-doo done zipper. Try it with the Flower Girls 6-piece fat quarter bundle included in this month's box, or pull scraps from your stash. And if you haven't seen these before, they are pre-printed stabilizer, so it tells you exactly where to sew. So it's a little bit like foundation paper piecing, but then you don't rip the paper off at the end because this is your stabilizer for your bag. So I think these are kind of fun. They've had a couple of these in their bags recently, and I still haven't made one actually. So if you have made one, let me know in the comments if you liked it, if it was something you enjoyed and would want to see again. I want to say this is the second or maybe even third one of these they've stuck in our most recent Sew Samplers. The next thing in our kit is this adorable little So Happy enamel needle minder. Sew Sampler got it first again. This is valued at $11.98, and it says the So Happy enamel needle minder will draw you in with its cheerful colors and darling design. Created by Heather Briggs of My Sew Quilty Life to match her bobbin Blooms quilt, it features friendly flower blooming from a bobbin. This minder will keep your pins and needles in check, or you can use it to hold your quilt pattern to a stand as you sew. So this is absolutely adorable, and again, it's just a little magnetic needle minder. The next thing in our box is the So Creative Quilty Journal. Sew Sampler got it first, values at $10.98, and it says, let your creativity flower and flow with the So Creative Quilty Journal by Fat Quarter Shop. With gridded and lined pages, you can sketch and record your quilty ideas in this beautifully bound hardcover notebook. You can also use it for any other crafty pursuits. After all, it lets you be so creative. The book itself is about 5 by 8, and then on the insides, this side is like a dotted, and then this side is a lined paper, and then it does have the little bookmark that you can use to, mark your page like this. So this is really cute. I think it would be great for jotting down ideas or even measurements if you're changing a pattern or making your own. So I like seeing one of these in the box. The pattern for this month is called Bobbin Blooms, and it retails for $9.98, and it says the Bobbin Blooms quilt is a picturesque quilt that is freshly cut from Heather Briggs' enchanting garden. She often features spools and bobbins in her designs, and she has designed this Fat Quarter Shop exclusive pattern to reflect on her new fabric in her signature style. You can create this with the Fat Quarter bundle included in this month's box for an utterly enchanting quilt, and it does say that they have limited finishing kits available at Fat Quarter Shop. So here's the back on what else you need. So you need some fat quarters and then some is that binding? Yeah, binding and then sashing and border fabric. This one finishes at 42 by 46, so it's like a cute little wall hanging, and it's just super fun and springy. And then to go with that, we do have a little stack of fat quarters from her new collection. This retails for $25.48, and it says, "We are enchanted with all of the new things that come from spring, including this fragrant new line from Moda Fabrics. Flower Girl is the debut collection from Heather Briggs of My So Quilty Life, blooming with a variety of sweet flowers and classic stripes and plaids. Soft yellows, greens, and pinks shade the prints in this curated 6-piece fat quarter bundle for a soothing range that will naturally lead to your sewing room." So we've got 6 fat quarters in here, this little floral, which is really cute. She's got, this is kind of a tan color. It's looking a little yellow on my screen, but it is sort of a really light tan. We've got a yellow plaid. This is cute. Green plaid, a peachy kind of color. It's not quite pink, it's more peach in my opinion. And then a little stripe. And this is her new line. Obviously, this is only a portion of it, but it's all really pretty. And if you like those kind of pastel-y, lighter colors, definitely head over and check out her new line. So that's everything that came in this month's box. I did add it all up for you. The retail value is $75.38. So if we take away the $3 from the kind of overpriced sticker, we're still down to $72, which is a pretty good value for your box. The boxes again are $29.95. So you're still doing pretty good, over double your value. So I'm really happy about that. I think my favorite thing in this month's box is going to be the fabric, the pattern, and this cute little needle minder. I love all of this. I love the idea. She has a whole spool collection if you haven't seen her patterns yet. So I do love all of these. So that's what is my favorite thing. Let me know in the comments below what your favorite thing from this month's box was. Thank you so much for joining me today. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please make sure to thumbs up and subscribe. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on any upcoming fun. Thanks so much for hanging out with me today, and I will see you in the next video. Oh, can't show that. Thanks, Fat Quarter Shop. Okay, so, and then at the end of the 12 months, you get your finishing pattern. You get your 12, and at the end of the 12 months, you get your finished. It says, "Feel at peace in your sewing room." Our pattern for this month is called Bobbin Blooms, and the pattern retails for $9. Let's start over. And don't forget to hit that explanation point. And don't forget to hit that notification bell. Oh my gosh. And don't forget to... Hey guys, so if you have stayed to the end of the video, thank you so much. I just wanted to pop in and give you a little nugget of info for hanging out till the very last second. So this whole video, you've been getting a little sneak peek of a new pattern that I have coming soon. And it's not just a new pattern, but I have a new fabric line launching. So stay tuned. I'm so excited. It's already on order. It should be sitting on my doorstep within like a day or two. I cannot wait. So hang tight, it's coming, and as soon as it comes, I will notify you guys here on YouTube and on all my social media. So stay tuned, I'm so excited. I wanted to give you guys a little sneak peek, only for you diehards out there who watch all the way to the very end. Thanks for hanging out with me today, and I will see you soon.